You say you want success, but your habits say you want comfort. You complain about distraction, but you protect the very things destroying you. You don't lack talent, you lack control. Every day your focus gets weaker, not loudly, silently, and if you don't fix it now, you won't just lose productivity, you'll lose your edge. The real enemy isn't your phone, it's your conditioning. Every scroll spikes dopamine. Every notification rewires your neural pathways. Every easy reward trains your brain to avoid effort. Dopamine is not evil, but when you flood it with cheap stimulation, your baseline drops. Deep work starts to feel heavy. Reading feels boring. Silence feels uncomfortable. That's not laziness, that's psychology. You've trained your brain to chase quick hits. Your neural wiring now prefers distraction over discipline. And here's the brutal truth. If you don't control your focus, you will never control your future. But there's a way out. Your brain is plastic. It adapts, it rewires. The same conditioning that made you weaken make you dangerous if you act. Here are the 5 silent habits you must destroy. 1. Starting your day with your phone. You wake up and feed your brain chaos, messages, news, noise. Psychologically, you program reactivity. Your brain learns to respond, not lead. Delay your phone 30 minutes. Protect your mental clarity. Start the day on your terms. 2. Constant task switching. You think multitasking makes you efficient. It fractures your attention. Every switch drains cognitive energy. Your prefrontal cortex weakens under constant shifting. Do one task for 45 minutes. No switching. Train depth. 3. Escaping discomfort instantly. The moment work feels hard, you escape. Scroll, snack, check something. That decision-wise avoidance. Your brain associates effort with exit. Stay when it gets hard. 10 more minutes. Build endurance. For living in background, noise music, podcasts, videos all day. Your mind never sits still. You lose the ability to think deeply. Silence retrains focus. Practice it daily. Let your brain strengthen. 5. Allowing notifications to control you. Every buzz hijacks your attention. You become reactive. Psychologically, this builds impulsive behavior. You lose intentional control. Turn them off. Check on schedule. Take command. Understand this clearly. Focus is a weapon. In a distracted world, the man who can concentrate. But most people won't fix these habits. They'll watch this, feel motivated, then go back to scrolling. Don't be most people. Your brain is being shaped every day, by design or by default. Choose discipline, choose depth, choose control, or stay average. The war for your focus is happening now, and the man you become depends on what you do next.